Hey guys, it's Toya here from Hair Habit, and I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how to install two bundles of Cambodian Luxe Wavy Curly with no pins or glue. So this is super easy. As you can see here, I'm just going around in circles and securing it with a rubber band. And then what I'm doing now is I'm blending the top with our growth stimulating edge paste, which is the best. We're forming it into a ponytail so that you can hide the tracks that are showing. So you go around just like this. Now you take a wand curler and blend it, and you're all done. So I think this is a 10 out of 10. It's super comfortable and it looks really good. What do you guys think?